What's really good, guys? I have this 2011 Nissan Altima. I'm going to show you real quick how to replace the blower motor, which is hiding down here. I just hit my shoulder. Alright, so stay tuned. Come on, let's do this real quick. Now, the reason why I'm going to replace it is because every time I turn it on, here at the level, let's say right there, I start hearing like a uh, buzzing sound. Like zzz. So I think the blower motor is unbalanced, maybe because there's something in there, or it's time to replace it. Okay, turn it off. Now here, you see these screws, 3, and then another 3 here at the bottom. See this, guys. There's one right here, one over there, one over here, and one over there. We're gonna remove those. All right. Once you remove those screws, the glove compartment, we're gonna pull it down. I'm gonna pull it, and it's gonna disengage, just like that. Here we have a little rope that we're just gonna unhook it. Okay. Now here, there's another screws, one there and one there. Remove those two. Now right here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this cover and then pull the glove compartment. Pull it towards you. Okay. Now if you don't wanna be bothered by all these little cables, disconnect it like any other connector. Squeeze it, pulls, and disconnect it. All right. Okay, for this funny connector, you gotta put like a lock pick right here in this hole, push it, and then pull it. Okay. Now here it is. Here's the blower motor. I'm gonna do a few tests. I wanna hear how it sounds. Now if you wanna remove this connector, just push it in, pull it out. Okay. This one is easy though. Now we're gonna remove the whole thing. There's the screws. You see them? Okay. I'm gonna do that. So only 3 screws hold the fan. Here it is. And I think it's too wiggly. It wiggles too much. We're gonna. What I end up doing here was cleaning the fan because the leaf and all the dirt unbalanced the fan. I clean it and put it back, test it again. No sound after that. But it's up to you if you want to replace the fan, the blower motor fan, and the same way you remove it, the same way you put it back. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, don't forget to put it in the comment box. Shout outs to my supporters. Thank you. See ya.